Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Goodrich with your reading and writing instructional video for the week of May 11th through 15th. So let's walk through what you're going to be expected to do this week. This week, you are starting a research project. So it's going to be specifically on science topics. This week, you're expected to pick a topic of your choice and learn as much about it as you can. Next week, you will be taking your research and writing a 1 to 2 page paper and creating a visual to present your information. So what can I research? You may research a famous scientist, an animal, a historic science event, weather events, landforms, or any other science topic that you're interested in. It could be anything that you have learned about with Miss Krause throughout the year or something that you're just particularly interested in. Where can I gather my information? You may gather your information on Myon, Google, Access 360, which is a virtual library. There are some other library resources that you can use, and I'll point those out to you in a second. You may use a book that you have, you may interview someone, or you may also use your personal knowledge. So if you want to use something other than Myon or a book that you have, I'm going to show you how to access a lot of really good resources from the Hillsborough County website. If you go to the Hillsborough County website right here, click on Students, scroll down to where it says Library Media Services, and then right here you can access a lot of good information for research. Specifically, if you click on elementary, and you may use any of these resources right here. Now, if I'm right here, I can also access Myon and Access 360. Access 360 is really cool because you can access the library, but virtually. So there's lots of good things on here. What I expected to do this week, or what am I expected to do this week? This week, you are expected to choose a topic and submit it to Miss Goodrich. Research your topic. This should take a few days, guys. Don't just read one book and jot down a couple notes and say, okay, I'm done with my research for the week. If you do that, you're not going to have enough information to write 1 to 2 pages about your topic. If you find you have time, you may go ahead and plan out your writing for next week. So here's some due date information, and this is important because remember, this is going to span over 2 weeks. So by Saturday or sooner, your topic is due to Miss Goodrich, and you're going to send me a picture of your research. If you send me, like I said, if you send me just a couple of little bullet points of research that you did and say I'm done with my research, I'm going to tell you that you need to go back and do a little bit more research because that's not going to be enough. By the following Saturday, and you'll get more information on this next week, you're going to create a visual of your research that matches your topic, and you're going to write a 1 to 2 page report that matches your topic. Okay, so don't go ahead and jump on and do your research paper this week because you won't have work to do next week. This week is strictly for finding that topic, becoming an expert on the topic, and doing your research on the topic using some of the resources that I provided you. If you have any questions at all while you're working this week, please let me know. And happy researching.